Yeah, but the boss doesn't, does he? How many times have we seen photographs of him of late where he's not got his mask on? Last time was on a train.
Snappers are very good at catching out. What I can tell you is I've seen him wearing a mask.
He should wear his mask and then he wouldn't get caught out, would he?
Well, look, I think I've seen him wear a mask and I think he's very conscientious about the guidelines.
Well, let's take a look at that, because the Prime Minister clearly wasn't conscientious about the guidance during his recent visit to Hexham Hospital. The Prime Minister is clearly seen walking along a corridor area inside the hospital whilst not wearing a mask. Health Secretary Sajid Javid immediately leapt to the Prime Minister's defence.
It's important that we all follow the rules, and the Prime Minister and his team did.
Well, let's take a look at what the guidance said. Anyone attending our hospitals and community settings must continue to wear a face covering at all times to protect patients, visitors and staff. Note the emphasis there on the wording "at all times." The guidance also states, in addition, when visiting, you are reminded to expect to wash your hands at the hospital entrance and wear a mask when you enter the hospital. So the guidance is crystal clear. Wear a mask when you enter the hospital and keep it on at all times to protect patients, visitors and staff. Within days of the hapless Health Secretary leaping to the Prime Minister's defence with,
"It's important that we all follow the rules, and the Prime Minister and his team did."
Which even Larry the cat knew was complete bollocks, the Prime Minister was forced into a humiliating apology.
It was barely 30 seconds when I wasn't wearing a mask. I walked out of a room mistakenly not wearing it. I then put it on as soon as I realised I'd made that mistake. I apologise for it.
Just 24 hours after making that apology, here's the Prime Minister on a packed train, again not wearing a mask. And here he is just days later at the theatre.
And I think he's very conscientious about the guidelines.